In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your domain from Godaddy to Hostinger. This process might seem complex, but with clear steps and a little patience, you'll be able to accomplish it with ease. Having your domain and hosting under the same provider can simplify management and potentially reduce costs, so let's dive in and explore how to make this switch in a seamless manner. First things first, you need to unlock your domain on Godaddy. To do this, log into your Godaddy account and head over to your domains section. You'll find a list of all the domains you own. Locate the domain you wish to transfer, and click on it. Once you're on the domain settings page, you should see an option to unlock the domain. Domains are usually locked by default as a security measure to prevent unauthorized transfers. When you unlock it, you're allowing the transfer process to begin. Next, you'll need to obtain the authorization code, also known as the EPP code, from Godaddy. This code acts like a key. It confirms that you have the right to transfer the domain. In the domain settings page, look for the section regarding transfers or authorization. Request the code and note that it might be delivered to your registered email address, so keep an eye on your inbox. Make sure you note down this code carefully, as you'll need it later. Now, switch over to Hostinger. If you already have a Hostinger account, log in. If not, take a moment to create one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the domain transfer section. This is typically located in the domain management or domains area. Input the name of the domain you wish to transfer, and proceed to the next step. Here's where you'll enter the authorization code you received from Godaddy. Once entered, continue with the transfer process, following the prompts provided by Hostinger. At this point, you will likely need to pay a transfer fee. Also, don't forget to ensure your domain's contact information is up to date on both platforms. This is crucial for communication during the transfer. Keep an eye out for emails from both Godaddy and Hostinger. You may receive transfer approval or confirmation requests. Respond promptly to any such requests to avoid unnecessary delays. Most domain transfers can take a few days to be fully processed, so a little patience is required from your side. As everything gets processed, remember that transferring a domain doesn't automatically transfer the website content. If you have a website hosted with Godaddy, consider how you want to move that content to Hostinger, if needed. When choosing your new hosting plans, make sure your needs are adequately covered to avoid future complications. With the transfer complete and everything in place, ensure that your domain resolves correctly and any necessary settings are adjusted on Hostinger's platform. And there you have it. Following these steps, you've successfully transferred your domain from Godaddy to Hostinger. Enjoy the streamlined management and happy hosting.